What's up guys, it's MJ Schultz here, and we are back at the fountain. Recently I purchased a instrument for my mother, and it's called, well at least I call it a mini saxophone. Made out of bamboo. And so I was thinking like, wait a second. Why can't I just make that out of PVC? Something that's, I don't know, I use PVC for everything, so why not try and make it? So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a PVC saxophone out of PVC, obviously. And this is what it's gonna look like. Yeah, I kept it looking like PVC. Oh, excuse me. Dang it. 1 second. I haven't mastered this instrument yet, as you can tell, but I will. I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to learn it and actually play a song. Maybe that will be in another video, who knows? So first, you're gonna need 1-inch PVC pipe cut to 16.5 inches. This angled 1/2 inch PVC pipe connector that I don't know what it's called. Like it's angled, see? This goes in there. Then you're gonna need a alto saxophone mouthpiece. I was thinking about making this out of PVC, but honestly, not worth my time. I just bought it for $17. And last, you're gonna need, unless you wanna make your own, which I think would be interesting, reed. All right, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I'm going to be doing this video binging with Babish style because it's really loud in here. I couldn't really talk to the camera. Make sure you have your drill bits and all your supplies. I made this little cutout of all the holes and the size of the holes out of my mother's saxophone that I got her, the bamboo one. And we'll get to that in a little bit. Make sure you have all the supplies you need, the saxophone mouthpiece, the angled one, and the reed. Pick a side, and we're going to heat up with a heat gun that I'm gonna go get in a second. Alright, have your heat glove and your heat gun. You're gonna heat up the 1st inch of the PVC. Once it's nice and really squishy and pliable, just like this, you're gonna shove that angled piece right in there, and it slips in really easily. Now you're gonna wait for that to cool, and while that's cooling, you need to struggle opening this saxophone mouthpiece container thing. And there we go. Come on, Evan. Nice. I was thinking about making this out of PVC, but it's just too hard, so just buy a really cheap one. You clean up, and now you're ready to heat up that angled piece end, and get ready because you're gonna put that saxophone mouthpiece into that. Just like this. Make sure it's nice and straight. Cool thing is you can fix everything later because nothing's glued, so it can just come in and out, and easy for cleaning too. Now you just wait for that to cool. Once that's completely cooled, you're gonna remove the top 2 pieces, and you're gonna measure 7 inches down from the top because that's where your first hole is gonna be. So go ahead and mark that out. And line up your first hole with that mark and begin marking the rest of the holes, front and back. Make sure you just do the back too, because I forget to do that all the time. The holes are marked out. Now, I'm showing you all this, but you can't really see it because I wrote it really bad, so rewriting it for you guys. And just make sure you pause it and make sure you have all those drill bits, because those are the holes, or the size of the holes that we're going to be drilling today. Now you can see I'm pointing randomly to the holes. I tried using a drill gun to drill out all the holes, but that didn't work at all. Go to a drill press if you have it, and this little clampy thing that works really well too to keep it nice and straight. And I mean, the drill gun worked, but it was just really messy, so if you have one of these, use it. Now I'm obsessively lining up the marks so I can drill a very straight hole into it.
Just a little, right there, right, maybe right there, perfect, okay, right there. I'm going to be drilling pilot holes, so I just picked a small drill bit to do that. I'm going to drill out all the marks on the PVC saxophone. Front and the back. Now I'm using a little bit bigger of a drill bit to make all the holes bigger so that I can go up to my 9/32 drill bit. I'm going to drill out all the holes with that size also. Now I'm going to drill out the third hole from the bottom with that 9/32 drill bit. And then I'm going to continue and go and drill out the rest of the holes with that. I like to mark that hole so I don't drill any bigger holes in that one. Now I'm drilling out the rest of the holes on the saxophone. Sizes it up for the next drill bit, which is the 25/64. I'm saying that incorrectly, I'm sorry. About that last hole, I like to mark that too. For the last one, the 13/32 drill bit, I'm going to drill out the rest of the 4 holes that haven't been drilled yet. I'm flipping it around because I totally forgot to do the back side while I was drilling, so I'm going to make sure you line that up because that would have been a mess. There we go. Holes are drilled out. Now I just need to cut off that little fuzzy stuff, as you can tell. I just used a razor blade for this, and this worked really well. The next step, I'm going to be gluing with some hot glue around the holes, and you don't really need to do that, but I found it more comfortable. Of course, this is comfortable by itself. Make sure you clean up because you're a good boy or girl. Now I'm taking a hot glue gun because I really enjoy this. It makes the fingering feel more, I don't know, it feels cleaner. Glue around each of the holes. I just slap on your saxophone head, get a mouthpiece out, suck on that for a little while right there. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you how to put on a reed, or maybe I'm not going to show you. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Alright, so you're gonna maybe you should just look it on Google. Okay, so you're gonna just line it up flush with the tip. Not forward, not back. Just flush. Make sure it's just centered completely. And just tighten that up. And it works. That's it.
Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for going along with me. I hope, I didn't say this, or maybe I did, I don't remember. But if you guys like this kind of video where I narrate everything, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I think I had a fun time filming this. Fun experience for me. It's all done. I think I do a way better job on, you know, this. Overall, I think it sounds pretty good. Wait, it's dry. I'll definitely get better. I don't know. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me. I already said that. And share this video if you want to. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Infinite power.
Alright guys, I'm in this bathroom real quick to show you guys the kind of more like reverb area, I guess. And as you can tell, it's really echoey in here. And I've practiced like a whole week, I think, and I've gotten a lot better, so I just want to show you this real quick. Glasses for style, you know? Just do the scale. Pretty good. Amazing Grace again. So that's just a little test. I think maybe one more video will come after this of me playing this, and that's it for the next 2 years. So I'll see you guys playing in the next 2 years after the next video.